I just checked into the Hilton Garden in downtown Little Rock. It's one of the newer styles, which is really nice. I really like this new type of Hilton Garden. Thought I would do a little walkthrough, give you a full tour of it, exactly how it looked when I checked in. I've come in, put my bags in, walked around, turned on the lights, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour. Now, I do really like what they're doing with the Hilton Garden. It's like, this is the closet. They opened it up and made it almost like a walk-in closet with these little drawers here to store stuff on this side. And then you got your luggage rack over here, some extra bedding over there, which is really nice. It opens that up a lot. New bathroom, I did not leave the seat up. That's how it was when I got here. I really like the mirror with the lights on it, on the mirror itself. And then, which is what's becoming standard here, I'm in the King, is instead of having a bathtub, it's just a shower in their King rooms. So this is a pretty nice feature. Now, if you want a bathtub, you travel with kids, I have kids, I fully understand, you're gonna wanna get a double, 2 queens. And then there is a sliding door, which I like. Instead of having a door swing in or out, which can take up quite a bit of room in the closet, it just slides. The only downside is you do have to slide it. And sometimes, maybe because they're brand new, takes a moment, you gotta kind of get it moving. So that's the only downside. It does seem to be a little sticky. Nice little seating area. It doesn't have one of those tech chairs. There's some of them have these chairs like tables on it, which swing out in front of you. But it's a nice chair facing the TV. I really like what they've done here with the big bar top kind of counter with the computer at the end. And then this can be another place to put a suitcase, or it can be used as a seat. Your shoes can fit right underneath there, and you can sit there and put your shoes on. As with all Hilton Gardens now, they have Keurigs, which I really like. And unlike some of them, which are starting to charge you if you want in-room coffee, they still include a couple K-Cups. Bring your own K-Cups if you want. Full fridge down here, which is really nice. There is no little freezer. I take that back. This one is freezer-less. So just a standard fridge, which probably for most people is fine, but just be aware of that. And then a microwave. Not really a lot to say about that. Pretty standard ice bucket cups. Let's check out by the bed. So I have a full king bed, very nice bedding. The white sheets, you can really, and white covers, you can tell that it's nice and clean. Hilton has been doing a great job of putting USB plugs. So each side of the bed has 2 outlets and 2 USBs. A regular light and even a little reading light here. I kind of wish it was up here like a lot of them do. It's over there. It seems to work fine. You do have a pretty standard clock, just on-off alarm. No radio on that. I think they've kind of realized most people don't use the radio to play radio anymore. Now, here's the desk area. Nice chair. Nothing really special about that, but I love it that there's 4 outlets here. I travel for work all the time. So you got 2 USBs, 2 outlets here, and then 2 more outlets here. So that's a pretty nice addition that they have. It's nice, big, bright. You can swivel the TV to face you or not. And then over here, once again, they have 2 outlets, 2 USBs, the reading light if you want it, and it's pretty well set. So that is the full room. Let me back up here so you get to view it from this angle. So I'm in the far corner. You got the bed, the chair, the TV. Kind of glance outside. It's going to be kind of bright, but this is your view. Not a bad view of downtown. I could live with that. And then, of course, the TV. One last thing, let's take a look. They do have room service. And I do plan on trying this out, but let me kind of give you an idea. So the hours of breakfast are right there. Dinner. In-room dining. And let's kind of run our way through everything they have. So it's a decent menu. I'm kind of interested. It seems like, I don't know if they, Hilton has updated their Hilton Garden restaurant menus, or if they're just going more regional, because it seems like recently what I find in different areas is different. Oh, here's actually the channel guide. That's the HBO guide. So let's take a look at the channels. Not a huge lineup here. I did bring a Roku stick with me, so I intend to just use that. My automated stabilization seems to be going really weird on that. I apologize. But there's the lineup of channels. So I'll be honest, I really like Hilton Gardens. I used to stay pretty much exclusively at Hampton Inns, which is also a Hilton property when I traveled. Like, I'm just spending the night here. I've been finding for the extra, 10, 15 bucks a night, there is a huge level step up with these Hilton Gardens. And I would say it's well worth the money if you want to spend it. So, yeah, 2 thumbs up to Hilton. I really love the new redesigns. I love the bathrooms. I love what you did with the closets. I love the fact the little kitchenette's perfect. And I love the desk area. So, questions, comments, let me know. I'll put a link to this Hilton Garden down in the show notes.